Okay, today we're going to be talking about percent increase and decrease. We sort of have talked about this before, but now we're going to be talking about it in terms of percents. So your objective today, I will demonstrate my mathematical ability to solve problems involving a percent increase or decrease through class discussion. I'm going to make a change to the percent proportion, okay? And the change I'm making is the new over the old instead of the part over the whole, okay? And then it's still going to equal percent, but instead of percent over 100, it's going to equal the increase or decrease, or 100 plus or minus the increase or decrease. Okay, so 100 plus or minus the increase or decrease goes right here. All right, so let's go ahead and see how that works. Okay, so in this problem it says Evan increased his trading card collection by 5 cards. He originally had 15 cards. What is the percent increase? Okay, well here we're dealing with an increase, so I will have my new over my old equals 100. Actually, I'm going to find my rate. Okay, this is going to be my rate, and then over 100. Okay. So, my new increased by 5, so that'd be 20. My old is 15 equals x over 100. So now I have to simply cross multiply. So now I have 2,000 equals 15x. I want to get x by itself, so I do that by dividing by 15. Divide by 15. X is going to equal 133 and 1/3. However, this is not my percent increase. Okay, I did not increase my collection by 133 and 1/3%. This is where I need to take it minus 100. So 133 and 1/3 minus 100, okay, which is going to be 33 and 1/3%. This is my percent increase. Okay, Evan increased his collection by 33 and 1/3%. Okay, so just kind of recap a little bit with the increase. You're going to solve it, and you're going to first just solve for the rate, okay, for whatever it is. In the end, okay, when I get this answer here, that's when I'm going to subtract my 100 to get my actual percent increase. So in the last problem we talked about percent increase. Well, let's see what this one is all about. This one has the value of the investment decreased by 10%. The original amount of the investment was $75. What is the value of this investment? There again, let's start with what we know. New over old equals my rate over 100. Okay. Well, I'm going to start, my whole was 100. Okay, right? I decrease it by 10%. So that's actually going to be 90 over 100. Okay. Now you have to look at the other side of the proportion as my new over my old. Well, the original amount of the investment was $75. So 75 goes here and x goes here. There again, now we can cross multiply. When I cross multiply, I'm going to get 6,750 equals 100x. Okay, now I'm going to divide by 100. I'm going to get $67.50 equals x. Okay, so this was a decrease. The problem before this was an increase. All right, and this is really all that we're talking about. All right, let's go ahead and see what's next. All right, here's your to-do list. Don't forget, you need to write your question on the discussion board, and you need to answer your 5 questions prior to coming to class. Remember, those are both for a grade. See you then.